Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Puppet login problems, certificate and access errors step by step clearly. To fix Puppet login problems due to certificate and access errors, start by checking the Puppet master and agent configurations. Ensure the Puppet master service is running without any errors. Next, confirm that the Puppet agent is configured to communicate with the correct Puppet master. Review the agent's configuration file, typically located at /etc/puppet/puppet.conf. Verify that the server line in the configuration points to the correct Puppet master hostname. If the hostname is correct, check the SSL certificates on both the Puppet master and agent. On the Puppet master, navigate to the SSL directory, usually found at /etc/puppet/SSL. List the contents of the certificates directory by running ilsl certs. Make sure the Puppet agent's certificate exists in this directory. If the agent's certificate is missing or has been revoked, you will need to regenerate it. On the Puppet agent, run the command puppet cert generate agent_hostname. After generating the certificate, return to the Puppet master and sign the certificate with puppet cert sign agent_hostname. Next, verify that the correct permissions are set on the SSL directory. Check that both the Puppet master and agent have the necessary file permissions to access the SSL certificates. Try running the Puppet agent with the command puppet agent T to initiate a test connection. Observe the output for any specific error messages that may provide further clues. If you encounter an access denied error, ensure that the Puppet agent is in the appropriate Puppet group. You may also need to check firewall settings to confirm that the necessary ports are open for communication. If all else fails, consider removing the old certificates by executing puppet cert clean agent_hostname on the master. After cleaning, attempt to re-register the agent with the Puppet master again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the certificate and access errors preventing successful Puppet logins. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.